So what have you found out?
Well, it seems like he might try to lock himself in the community. Because I see him do some site work too. A king bar.
Oh.
Yo, what up, son? Yeah. Still on the work site. These idiots. Yeah. Yeah, bye. Can't wait to see you, nigga. Yeah, we soon sort these niggas out. I ain't gonna be too long, but I'm in right now. I'm to my in. How they tell me that lady soon come around and you know the one I talk about. You're the 1%. Yeah. Big up yourself, son. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. You niggas around. Yeah. Alright.
So what on my general? Everything good?
Yeah, man, my dad, my father go and start the fridge, you know.
I think remember get a cold travel, you know.
They say a well cold one.
Yeah, man. And you know what? It's when market general forward just make him know something pass through, but my gone around at the tree. And him for just make sure you get up some more to use them and bring them down there. Everything around there. Snacks, drinks, bounce bowl, water slide, clowns, face painting, everything.
Alright, me make him know
Alright.
Yeah, man, I like how the thing will come on, you see?
Yeah, man, that's the father. Alright, up, yeah.
Yeah, man, I say a word, my father.
Yo, tell me something. Who want to Anis?
Anis. Yeah, you know, say Anis get a little upgrade, you see it, and she gone for a bigger thing, but you know, the show that must go on, somebody go and hold the fort, you see it?
Right, that's up.
Yeah,
man, that's good to do. And I hate that, man.
Alright, that's the word, my father. Big up and respect.
Yeah. Where you say? Around at the tree, Tiago. You have to hustle it up though, because the picnic them round there wait for you. So make sure them full dry, you hear?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm at top hill now, but I have a treat. I'm gonna go around at the treat now, and then after, go back at the bar. Because me here say I work at the bar. Yeah, he might help on the construction. Alright. Yeah, man, when we finish, I will give you a report. Where should I meet you? Alright, so not the office. Okay. Alright. See you.